Today we're looking at two faceless income systems you can get started with pretty much instantly. Now the great thing about these is these are not just proven methods. I'll share with you some results of this, and literally by the end of the video you can have these up and running because you don't need technical experience, you don't have to spend hours and hours on this, and as we'll go through the video, you'll see just how simple it is to set this up. Now, I am doing both of these methods myself, and I'll show you some numbers, okay? But first, let's dive into it, okay? So, let's come over to this website over here. This is called School. Now, this is Faceless method number one, and it's building out your own community on these platforms. Now, with this, how it works is you can, let me go to the home tab so you can see this, and then we'll come back over here. You can build out a community around anything. It can be your knowledge, skills, even a hobby. And you can, I'm just on the all tab over here, but you can see over here, look, like this one over here. It's got 1,300 members paying $49 a month to learn about pickleball. Crazy. And you'll see there's loads and loads in here from producers, acting, I don't know what that is, dating, pocket singers, loads of things. You can also come up here to the tab here and you can go into this. So maybe you have a hobby in music. If we scroll down here, we can see we've got the piano club. We've got a guitar club down here. And what's happening is people are just starting these communities and sharing what they already know. You don't even have to be an expert in it because communities are people all coming together around a similar idea or a similar concept. And you can see there's loads in here, okay? So you would decide on your niche essentially, or what your hobby is or your interest, and then you can build a community around it and you can monetize it. And as you can see over here, the potential of earning with this is ridiculous, and the whole thing can be done faceless. So let me show you inside of mine, and I'll show you some numbers as well so you can see what we're talking about. So this is my community. It's called Faceless Freedom, and this is all geared around this over here. Earning money online without showing your face, without wasting, lots and lots of times on this, and without any experience. So someone signs up to here. I charge $10 a month. Incredible value if I say so myself. In here we have got a forum, so people coming in here sharing the results, asking questions and other bits, okay? We've also got lots of different tabs here. So we've got, when I put some notes in here, we'll have this, we've got updates, and then we've got the wins tab as well. Over on the top, this is what people are paying to get access to, is this over here. It's these little classrooms. So in mine, I have literally got step 1, step 2, and step 3. What it's about. Let's get this launched, so I'll show you inside the classroom, okay? So in here, we come in and we start, and we talk about what it is. We give them a breakdown, and then we just go through it. And as you can see in here, it's pretty straightforward and simple, okay? So if I now go back to the classroom, once people go through the first 3 steps in here, we're then looking at the different methods for earning online with faceless content. So we have got 9 different methods, and this is from running Instagram theme pages, selling software, starting your own school community like what we're talking about here, selling printables, faceless marketing, building a YouTube channel, and other bits. So all I am doing here is I am putting my knowledge into these classrooms, and that's it. So you can do this whole thing absolutely faceless. You don't need to be on camera for this. You don't even have to talk if you don't want to. You can set these up really straightforward and simple. So if I go into the YouTube channel, so someone's interested in learning YouTube, you can see we've just got text in here. Then we've got what they should be doing within the first 10 minutes. And again, I'm not on camera here. It's all done down here. Then we've give resources for them, so profitable niches. And you can see all I'm doing here is just sharing my existing knowledge inside of this community, and people are paying for access to this. And it's just an awesome little way to get this whole method up and running. Now in this as well, you'll see I've got all of these different resources for them that go in here. And I also put videos in. Now, some of the videos I am on camera, that's just because I am used to being on camera, but you don't have to be on camera if you don't want. You can just share your screen and talk about it. But this is an awesome little method for earning online. And as I've mentioned, I mean, I'll show you, look, if I come over here, if I go into some of the different communities that I'm in, There's loads, there's absolutely loads. Okay, so we've got a business builders club. Predominantly, it's all geared around different ways you can be earning online. So you can see there's loads of different communities in here, but it's just an awesome method of bundling your knowledge, skills, experience, and putting it all into a little community over on school like this. And let me show you this as well, so you can see just how simple it is. So when you come into a classroom over here, if I want to add a new page, I just click on add a page, or I can add a folder. So I would just add a page in here. I click on edit, and then I would give it a title up here. So I'll just say YouTube example, like so. Oh, let me make that a capital T. And then here, and then I come down here, and then I just start typing like that, like so. And then I can also add in images in here. I can add in links to external resources and other bits. But I genuinely think this is one of the best little side hustles, essentially, that pretty much anyone can get started with and have up and running today. And it's not difficult at all, as you've seen. It's not, you know, you're not having to build out a website like years ago and difficult funnels and all this stuff. This over here on School is all built in the same in the same way. It's incredibly simple. It's beginner friendly, and I highly recommend it. And if you are over in Faceless Freedom, then we also have, you can see here, starting your own community in here again. We go through all of it. So that is one of the Faceless methods I would look at starting to build today. It costs $9 a month to start your own school. So in the UK, that's about £7.50. And then you can you can charge whatever amount of money you like to get people in. And I'll show you our numbers as well. So if I come over here, go to the About page and click on Settings, you can see on here, we've got this at $705 monthly recurring revenue every single month. I also have another one, which is this one over here, which is AI Income Lab. And this one is sharing, you can see, where AI meets side hustles. And in this one, all I'm doing is, because I'm doing stuff with AI online, again, I'm putting my knowledge into these classrooms over here. And predominantly, this is all faceless. Absolutely. So if I come into like Nano Banana, you'll see in here, we are all about Nano Banana, how it works, different side hustles you can be using, how you can be earning online. And then we also give prompts in here. Prompt packs work really well with this method as well. And this community is currently it's $181 a month recurring income. So we're nearly $1,000 a month recurring income with two communities where all I'm doing is sharing my existing knowledge. So I would highly recommend that as a little method for anyone who is wanting to start earning online, and you can do it absolutely faceless. The other one we'll talk about is, if we come over on the website, and again can all be done faceless, would be affiliate marketing. Now, on the website, we have shared many case studies over the years, whether it's YouTube, Amazon Associates, loads of different case studies on here to do with earning online. And pretty much any one of these, again, whether we are doing the Amazon affiliate program, whether we're running Instagram theme pages, Facebook groups, etc., they can all be done faceless as well. So how does it work? How can you do affiliate marketing and faceless at the same time? I'll show you. Straightforward and simple. So let me come in here. Let me go to Faceless Freedom in here. And I'll give you a breakdown of this, because when you break it down, it is incredibly straightforward and simple. So let me come into here. Let's go into the YouTube classroom. And it's the same whether we're doing this on YouTube, TikTok, or wherever. It doesn't really matter. So if I go into day one, and I scroll down here, the first part of it is you always decide on a niche. So that can be health, wealth, fitness, weight loss, relationships, any niche. Once you've decided on your niche, then you would find affiliate products related to that niche. Okay, so for example, let's say we're going into the dog niche. We love dogs, we're going to go into that niche. So I would come on Google and I would type in dog affiliate programs, and it will show me all the affiliate programs, or it lists them like this one over here, look, the top 12 pet affiliate programs. And you can see down here how you can earn as a commission. So top dog affiliate programs offer 5 to 15% commissions on products like food, toys, and training. So you just simply go over to these websites, these ones over here, and you sign up to their affiliate programs. Let me just click on this one. This is in food and nutrition. I mean, you could even break your niche down a lot further. So your niche should probably be, as crazy as it sounds, around dog food and different ways you could be feeding your dog. You know what's good for them, what you shouldn't be feeding them, etc. So you could come on here. Sorry, you could come over on Google, sign up to an affiliate program, then you land on the website like this. And then what happens is once you join their program, free to join by the way, so you sign up to their affiliate program, and then you see where it says like food, for example, you would come on here and you would get your own affiliate link for any of these products down here. And then when somebody buys that product, you can earn an affiliate commission. So you've decided on your niche. So for this example, we would go. Then from there, we've gone ahead and found an affiliate program. So we can become an affiliate with this company and we can share links to all of these different products on here and we can be earning money. You could also do your own products, by the way, as well. But once you've decided on your niche and then you've got your products, you then move on to the final part, which is creating the content. And the reason we create the content is to drive views or buyers over to the website. How do you create content? Well, you do it in so many different ways. You can do content on YouTube, you can do it on TikTok, you can do Facebook groups. There's loads of different ways you can do it. I mean, a simple Google will give you many more different ways of doing this. But those are two different faceless methods that anyone can do. And if I was brand new to earning online, that is what I would do. I would look at starting my own school community around a niche or around an interest that I like and I am doing. And then I would also start looking at building out simple affiliate campaigns. Awesome, it really is. So look, that's today's video. If you do have any questions, let me know. Obviously, if you're in Faceless Freedom, we've got all of this broken down for yourself, whether you're starting your own community or different faceless methods for earning online. Any questions, let me know.